What if everything you've been told about becoming rich is a lie? Not a small lie, not a misunderstanding, but a carefully repeated belief that's keeping you stuck exactly where you are. You've heard it before. Work hard and you'll become rich. But look around. Millions of people are working hard, yet most of them are still broke. So what's really going on? Today, we're going to expose the biggest lie about becoming rich. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. From childhood, we are programmed with one simple idea. Study hard, get good grades, find a stable job, work hard for 30-40 years, retire, hopefully rich. Sounds safe, right? But here's the problem. This system was never designed to make you rich. It was designed to make you obedient. Think about it. Schools don't teach you how money actually works. They don't teach investing, leverage, or financial psychology. Instead, they train you to follow instructions, avoid risks, trade time for money. And that leads to one dangerous belief. If I just work harder than everyone else, I'll become rich. But that belief is the trap, let's be real. There are construction workers, factory workers, delivery drivers, who work 10x harder than most millionaires. But are they rich? No, because hard work wealth. Here's the truth. Wealth is not created by effort alone. Wealth is created by leverage. There are 3 types of leverage. Time leverage. You stop trading hours for money. Skill leverage. You develop rare, valuable skills. Asset leverage. Money works for you. Investments, businesses. Rich people don't just work hard. They build systems that work for them. While they sleep, money moves. The biggest lie doesn't just affect your actions. It rewires your mindset. You start believing things like, money is hard to earn. Rich people are lucky. I'm not ready yet. I need more time. And the worst one day I'll become rich. That one day never comes because you're stuck in survival mode. You're focused on paying bills, saving small amounts, waiting for the perfect moment. Meanwhile, opportunities pass you by. Let's flip the script. Rich people don't think like everyone else. They ask different questions. Instead of, how can I earn more per hour? They ask, how can I earn without trading my time? Instead of, is this safe? They ask, is this scalable? Instead of, can I afford it? They ask, how can I afford it? This shift changes everything, because wealth isn't about working harder, it's about thinking smarter. So if hard work isn't the answer, what is? Here's the real formula. 1. Learn high-income skills. Skills that can generate serious money. Copywriting, marketing, sales, content creation. 2. Build assets. Assets make money without your constant effort. YouTube channels, digital products, online businesses, investments. 3. Use leverage. Technology has changed the game. One video can reach millions. One idea can scale globally. 4. Think long-term. Rich people play a different game. They focus on 5 years, 10 years, lifetime wealth, not just monthly income. Here's something most people don't want to hear. Becoming rich is not easy. It requires discipline, patience, risk-taking, learning from failure. But here's the twist. Staying broke is also hard, so you have to choose your hard. Let's talk about something most people are proud of. A stable salary. It feels safe. It feels predictable. It feels secure. But here's the uncomfortable truth. A salary is the fastest way to stay average. Why? Because no matter how hard you work, your income is capped. You're trading your time, your energy, your freedom for a fixed number. And the moment you stop working, the money stops too. That's not wealth. That's dependency. You've probably heard this advice. Save money and you'll become rich. Sounds smart, but it's incomplete. Saving alone will not make you rich. Why? Because of one silent enemy, inflation. Every year, your money loses value. So even if you save, you're actually getting poorer, slowly. Rich people don't just save, they invest. They make their money grow, multiply, work for them. Saving protects money. Investing builds. Most people think money is the most valuable thing. It's not. Time is. You can lose money and get it back. But time? Once it's gone forever. Poor mindset. I'll start later. Rich mindset. I need to start now. Every day you delay, you lose. Opportunities, compounding growth, experience. Wealth is built over time. And the earlier you start, the easier it becomes. Here's what happens to most people. They start something new. They get excited. They work hard for a few weeks. And then nothing happens. No money, no results, no success. So they quit. But what they don't realize is, they were this close. Success doesn't happen in a straight line. It's slow, invisible, frustrating, until suddenly it explodes. Rich people understand this. They don't quit early. They stay long enough to win.